So there's a sentence I have actually started saying, we are actually limitless. Here, every day, I'm probably doing something I wasn't expecting 2 days before, just because I had the opportunity and I want to jump on that. That's what learning here is about. I'm Matteo. I'm attending the first year of the Bachelor Business Creation Entrepreneurship. I would describe myself as this enthusiastic person. I pretty jump on everything I see and I can. We are a family of four. Have one older brother and a little dog. She is actually called Dream because she became pretty easily part of the family. So my family helped me a lot. They never stopped me from what I wanted to do. If I'm here, if I'm becoming the person I am, it's mainly for my family. So my passion, one of the main one is music. I played piano for 7-8 years. Probably another passion is video making, and the old part of ideation is where I can like put my hands on work and actually create from the initial part to the end. Video creation is also what helped me to like coming out of the shell. I realized that H Farm was my place probably during the open day I joined in the first grade of high school. Farm has this like strong wow effect. So you come here, you see, you look around and you're amazed of everything you see. But when I actually realized that this is actually what I wanted to live and what I wanted to experience was during the open classes with one specific professor, Timothy O'Connell, that helped me understanding that this was my place and I had to take some risk on my own to like experience what I'm experiencing right now. Before coming here, I attended one bachelor in another university, and coming from there, I experienced a place where we had 300 people just listening to one person who was teaching us, yeah, but in a really cool way. There wasn't a relationship. This is something that here in each farm is completely different. I had great conversation with Professor Testorelli. I just went to the cafeteria and proposed to him an idea I was having with another one of my friends. He was actually curious about what I was saying and impressed. And this is something I like experienced with most of the professors here. We started like discussing about it. He started sharing his experience, his knowledge, and this is what I actually search from my teacher. And this is actually what I'm finding here. So people that love what they're doing, love what they're doing outside of teaching, and teaching is just their passion. They just wanted to share to younger people. Everyone says I'm creative, the creative guy, even if sometimes I feel not that creative. But yeah, I love creating, I love doing stuff I do not know anything about and learning. And business creation and entrepreneurship is the concept of creating something and starting to learn by doing. Something that Professor Fusari and O'Connell told me is, if you have to do something and you are only scared of doing that, just try, fail, and retry. That's all. So Lumina is a student consulting agency I'm actually in, especially in the marketing area. The experience I'm having is everyone is working so hard on themselves, on the project they're in. So it's this environment of pushing each other to greater things. That's the stimulation I was searching for. is the experience that is probably like enhancing even more this place. My life changed a lot. I left home. I started living here in H4 Campus Marina. I started living with another person I had to share my days with. The things like accumulated, and probably the main problem I had is managing stress. One thing that helped me really much here was the counselor program that showed up in October. The counselor is something I always wanted to attend. In the first session, she's like depicting me quite completely. I was amazed, and it's offered by the university, something that in a certain way moved the weight of saying to your parents, I'm actually starting to go to a counselor. And so right now my parents know about this and they're happy, they understood about my needs. With my action, I want to create an environment that helps people to be positive, and I want to create a source of positive energy for others.